class 3. Today in maths we are going to start a new chapter, that is money, chapter 6 on page number 96. Now look at your book on page number 96. There you can see rupee paise conversion. Rupee paise conversion. How do we convert rupee into paise now? Given below are some Indian rupees in the form of notes and coins. There you can see the Indian rupees in the form of notes and coins. Now look at page number 96. There you can see given below are some Indian rupees in the form of notes and coins. Here you can see the notes here. 1 rupee, 10 rupee, rupees, 100 rupees, 500, 20 rupees, 50 rupees and 1000, 2000 rupees you can see there. Now here you can see the coins. There you can see the coins. Now the plural of rupee is rupees and the plural of paisa is paise. The symbol of rupees is RS or the symbol of rupees. Is equal to RS or this, and symbol of paise. Symbol of paise is P. So the symbol of rupees is RS or this one, or the symbol of paise is P. Now the plural of rupee is rupees. Rupees, the singular and plural is rupees. And singular of paisa is equal to paise. This is singular, this is plural. Paisa becomes paise. Now rupee becomes rupees. So note, every country has its own currency. Every country has got its own currency. The USA uses the dollar. The USA uses the dollar. England uses pound. Japan uses yen. And India we use rupees and paise. Some of the notes shown here are not in use these days. Some of the currency that you see, that notes that you see are not in use these days now. Now look on the board, okay? Now look on the board here. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Then 2 rupees 50 paise is equal to, you can write this way, 2 rupees 50 paise. And 9 rupees 50 paise, you can write 9 rupees 50 paise. So the dot separates the rupees and the paise. The dot separates the rupees and paise. This dot separates the rupees and the paise. This is 9 rupees, this is 50 paise, this is 2 rupees, this is 50. The dot separates the rupees and paise. Now we come to converting rupees to paise. Now look on the board. Now we know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Now while converting rupees to paise, we multiply by 100. While converting rupees to paise, we multiply by 100. So while converting rupees to paise, we multiply by 100. Now look here. Convert 9 rupees 25 paise to paise. Now 9 rupees. You have to convert 9 rupees 25 paise to paise. We know that 25 paise we don't have to convert. This is already in paise. But this 9 rupees you have to convert. So when you convert rupees to paise, we multiply by 100. So we multiply 9 by 100. 9 rupees is equal to, when we convert into paise, we have to multiply 9 into 100 is equal to 2 zeros already, 0 0, then 1 9 is 900 paise. 900 paise. Then already there we know that there is already 25 paise is there. 25 say is equal to your plus 25 paise. Total how many? 0 plus 5, 5, 2 plus 0, 2 and 9. 925 paise. We got the answer 925 paise. So 9 rupees 25 paise equals to how many? 925 paise. This way we can convert rupees into paise. Now we will look at the next example. Now next we come to convert 5 rupees 45 paise into paise. Now we know that when we convert rupees into paise, we have to multiply by 100. Now 5 rupees is equal to 5 into 100. That is equal to 500. 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 5 ones are 5. 500 paise. And how many paise? 40 paise. You like add it is plus 40 paise. So you add 0 plus 0, 0 plus 4, 4. 5 plus 1, 540 paise. So 5 rupees 40 paise is equal to 540 paise. Now, so a shorter method of converting rupees and paise to paise is just to remove the dot. Shorter method. Now we write here 5 rupees 40 paise can be written like this. Now shorter method, to convert into paise, you just remove this dot. Is equal to remove this dot, don't write by the 540 paise. Another example, supposing is rupees 13 rupees 50 paise to convert into paise, you just remove this dot. Now 1 3, don't write this dot. 50 paise, that is 1350 paise. Another example, rupees 45 30 paise. To convert into paise, what you do? Write 4 5, don't write this dot. 3 0 paise. That is 4530 paise. So this is the short method of converting rupees to paise. Now I hope you understood this.